Artemis II reaches the launch pad as NASA prepares for the first crewed mission of the Artemis era. NASA's Artemis II mission has reached a critical milestone as its Space Launch System, SLS rocket, and Orion spacecraft completed rollout to Launch Complex 39B at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The move marks the transition from vehicle assembly to final pre-launch testing for the first crewed mission of the Artemis program, which will send astronauts on a lunar flyby and safely return them to Earth. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to turn notifications on so you keep getting all the major advancements in science and technology. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. The rollout concluded at 6:42 p.m. EST on January 17, 2026, following a carefully coordinated overnight journey from the Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB. The fully stacked SLS rocket, one of the most powerful launch vehicles ever built, was transported approximately 4 miles by NASA's Crawler Transporter 2, advancing at a maximum speed of 0.82 miles per hour. The process took nearly 12 hours to complete, reflecting the precision required to move a vehicle of such scale and complexity. After exiting the VAB's high bay doors, teams briefly paused the rollout to adjust the crew access arm, a critical structure that will allow astronauts and closeout personnel to enter the Orion spacecraft on launch day. Once these adjustments were completed, the rocket continued its journey to the pad, where it now stands illuminated and ready for the next phase of testing. Preparing for launch day conditions, with Artemis II now at the pad, engineers and technicians will begin preparations for a wet dress rehearsal, a comprehensive test designed to simulate launch day operations. Currently targeted for no later than February 2nd, this 2-day exercise will involve loading the SLS rocket with cryogenic propellants, executing the full countdown sequence, and then safely draining the propellants without liftoff. Wet dress rehearsals are among the most critical pre-flight tests as they validate fueling procedures, countdown timing, ground systems performance, and communication between flight controllers and hardware. NASA may conduct more than one rehearsal if needed to ensure all systems perform as expected. Should additional inspections or modifications be required, the agency retains the option to roll the rocket back to the VAB for further work. Crew and mission objectives: Artemis II will carry 4 astronauts, Commander Reed Wiseman, pilot Victor Glover, and mission specialist Christina Koch from NASA, along with mission specialist Jeremy Hansen of the Canadian Space Agency. The roughly 10-day mission will send the crew on a trajectory around the Moon before returning to Earth, providing a full systems test of Orion's life support, propulsion, navigation, and re-entry capabilities with humans on board. Unlike Artemis I, which flew uncrewed in 2022, Artemis II represents the first time astronauts will fly aboard Orion and the SLS. While the mission will not include a lunar landing, it is a foundational step toward future crewed landings on the Moon under Artemis III and beyond. A step toward sustained lunar exploration and Mars, Artemis II is a key element of NASA's long-term strategy to establish a sustained human presence on the Moon. The lessons learned from this mission will inform future lunar surface expeditions, the development of the Gateway Lunar Outpost, and the technologies required for deep space habitation. Ultimately, Artemis serves as a proving ground for human exploration beyond the Moon, laying the technical and operational groundwork for sending astronauts, eventually including the first Americans, to Mars, with Artemis II now on the launch pad. NASA has entered a decisive phase in its effort to extend human presence deeper into